Hey guys, I wanted to show you how I quickly clip in my ponytail from INH hair, which I do have a discount code for, so you can save 15% on any order because they also have wigs, bangs, buns, clip-in extensions, every kind of color of the wig, anything you could possibly want. So first, I make sure to use a boar bristle brush for a sleek look. You can even use some gel if you like. So I'm making a bun out of my own hair so you won't see my ponytail. Then I'm taking the little comb and placing it at the base of my bun. Now I'm going to connect the Velcro, and once that's in place, I'm going to flip my ponytail over and use this long part to cover up the base. I want to make sure the ponytail stands up nice and tall when I wrap this around. And finally, just take a bobby pin and secure the tail. And that's it. Make sure to brush through your ponytail so it's nice and sleek, and you're done. It literally takes less than 2 minutes to do. So if you're late running out the door, it's perfect because you still look so fabulous. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and use my discount code so you can save some money. I will put the discount code and the link in the info box of the video for you. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.